Hey, what's up, everybody? And of course, welcome back, of course, to Ziwa FX TV show. Okay, if you're new to this channel, hey man, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so don't miss most of my videos. You know very well in this channel, I do make educational videos on how to make money in trading and how to be consistent and trade smart. Okay, just like the big banks. So in this video, most people have been telling me that Miles, please, after every setup, please make a video and give us the reason why you took that trade and what do you expect from that trade. So I thought that it's always very good to learn from your examples, and that's why I'm taking this example NZD card. Okay, now I'm going to explain to you how I analyze this market and everything that you need to know. Okay, first of all, don't forget that this video is being brought to you by Xness. If you don't have a trading account or you're looking for a cool broker, just check the link in my description. Click that link and of course open yourself a trading account. Also, don't forget to join my Telegram group where we share setups, we share ideas so that we can all win together. Now, of course, let me go straight to the point. Okay, excuse me guys because there is some noise in the background. My neighbor has got some small party, of course. So the first thing that you have to first do is, I told you first thing is first go to high time frames. I want you to do one thing. Look at this previous candle for last month. You could see that the sellers were strong. The sellers tried coming in the market, meaning there was some selling pressure. Okay, so what does that mean? It therefore means that you have to watch out. You have to watch out that for the next month there could be some pressure still. Now let me explain to you something here. I hope you will see this. This is the let me go to the daily. Now I want you to look at the daily. You could see very well that NZD card was on a bearish trend. Why do I say a bearish trend? Because we have got series of lower lows. Series of what? Lower lows. And you know very well when there is a trend, this is an impulse. An impulse move means like a real trend, like direction of the real trend. Okay, this is a retracement, which we call it a correction zone, then an impulse. Okay, correction. Okay, a strong impulse, a pullback, which is a correction, then we have another impulse. Now let me explain to you something. Now one thing you have realized is you've known that, well, NZD card, we are bearish, and one thing you shouldn't do is don't trade against the trend, my brother. Now the second thing that we're looking for is the structure of the market, and we are going to break it slowly and slowly. So we come to H4. Okay, and first thing that you have to first know is that I gave this trade, and look at this, buy NZD card. The stop loss was there. You could see this. We started moving in small profits, like 30 pips, and I was like, trail it, move SL to entry and hold it more pips to come. And let me explain to you why I also said hold it. Remember, one thing which is very important is trading is patience. If you're not patient in trading, then you will give up some of the pips to the market which you were supposed to get. Now watch this. I want you to watch this very, very carefully. This is H4 time frame. You could see that even in the H4 time frame we are looking at bearish move. Okay, now what I did is very, very simple. I want you to realize that when you come to H4 time frame and day 1 and H1, you also try to spot the structures of the market, like maybe a W pattern, or a M structure, or a V structure, or this type of structure. It is very, very important because these type of structures are very important at resistance and support points. Now good, let's move on to the next step. Now since you've seen that we are still in a bearish trend and we took this trade from this point here, I want to give you the reason why I took this trade from this point here. I want you to know one thing, guys. Is whenever, let me draw for you. Okay, this is your support. Why am I calling that support? It's because it is pushing price to the next lower low following the trend. Okay, now if this support here is broken, if that support there is broken, it means the market has disorganized the trend a bit. Why was this? Why, like, if this support is broken, of course you won't call this again support because the structure has been broken. So you'll be expecting a retracement, then go up. But for this case here, there was something so sweet that I loved, okay, that I want you to also see, and it was open on H1. If you see this, sorry, I'm using my phone today. If you see this, you see that this was our support, okay. Then price, we didn't expect price to break this support. It broke it, which I loved after breaking. Then after breaking, it respected so many times. You could see these candles. I want you to watch this candle. So after breaking, you come this, you do this, you do this. Let me draw this. Wow. Okay, you found yourself a nice order block there, a breaker. Of course, after breaking, it's no longer an order block, it's now a breaker, and you see that price has respected. Now when I saw this, I was amazed, and I was like, okay, let me go to H1, let me see H1. Now see H1, there is something so sweet about H1. The same thing also that I've just said, where we have a head and shoulder pattern, okay, head and shoulder pattern. I hope you've seen that. But now there was something so sweet about when price broke. I want to watch this very well. It is kind of tricky. Let me first delete that so that it won't confuse you. You could see that when price broke, our structure of the market, which is this point, wow, that was our retracement point, because you could see this bar, then price broke. Then after breaking, I told you, look at this, there is a strong structure. This is like market is preparing to gain. I don't know what I can say. Just like when a plane wants to move up faster, it first rotates. You see, this is a very strong. The reason why you're seeing NZD move, if you have watched my videos very carefully, you would have understood this. I told you that whenever you see the market doing this several times after it has broken the structure, not that you're getting near for a big move, and you shouldn't hold your trades, you shouldn't close your trades early. That's why you saw that. Now let me repeat again. Have you understood this? Zoom this, zoom this, zoom this. You see this, you see this, you see this. Then after even this, we have a nice engulfing candle. What does it mean? Strong bullish momentum. It gives us confidence to keep on holding our trade. Now the reason why I love this type of pattern is because I realized that I can draw, let me say I can draw a trend line like this. I shouldn't call it a trend line, let me call it a channel. Okay, you've seen that channel, which is a bullish flag. And what does a bullish flag mean to you if you've been watching my videos? A bullish flag simply means a characteristics or a product of a new trend, of a new bullish trend, or like an ongoing bullish trend. You get that? So you could see that this engulfing candle had to break this structure. Okay, I want you to be very flexible, that you derive structures from the market very well and you analyze like a pro. Now you could see this. Now you've seen what has happened to NZD card. Now we have marked this point. So what I'm expecting is, of course, I'm gonna mark this top here. Why am I marking that top? This is also another support point. The reason why I was so confident in trading is when this was our first support of a bearish trade. When this support was broken, I knew, okay, we are moving high. Now let's see if this second support will be broken. Let me draw for I explain to you that. Let me say like this. All these are support points, support. Price breaks the support point 1, okay? We get confident. It again breaks support point 2. We get confident. We are moving to the next support. If it breaks this one, we are still moving up. I hope you've understood this video, and I hope you've understood why I took the trade. One thing is, I saw what was coming from high time frames. I saw what was coming from high time frames. And if you could see this, we are getting ready for an M structure. I hope you could see that there is something going to happen here. See this, okay? And this is a W structure. So what are we waiting for? Let's wait if price will break this point, which is our support. If it breaks that support, then we no longer have a support. We have what we call, like, since our support is broken, it will be our resistance. You get that? Good. Now let me wish you a nice time, and I'll again make another video for NZD-USD, why we took NZD-USD. Have a nice time, guys. See you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment about what do you think about this video. Was it educative to you? And if you love the channel, of course, you can share to your friends. See you guys next time. I hope you could even see this, guys. You could see even this. You could see this. I'd rather drawn this. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me leave there the first one. Sorry. Yeah, you could see this. You could see this also. You could see this also. Good. So guys, I just want you to understand the market, in fact, and take your time and keep learning. Take your time and keep learning. Take your time and keep learning. You can also use a 30-minute time frame to trade, to analyze for entries. But you see, 30 minutes is almost like 1 hour. You get that? So it's the same thing. You could see the same stuff. Oh guys, have a nice time for now. Okay, see you